Number one, clarify your objectives. It is not only for fun, but the most important is learning. Number two, you give clear instructions such as the rule. Don't use Arabic in my classes, only English. Don't use your lips, okay? Don't use your mother tongue. Rules, okay? And the time, you will have 5 minutes. And I would like you to work in groups of 4. And all the time, when I give instructions, I associate them with my body language. Because we have got mixed ability classes. Some they cannot understand unless you use your body language. Okay? And of course, don't talk a lot. So don't explain, but demonstrate. Use your body language instead of just talking. And the most important, because they are over and over motivated. No, teacher, don't talk to me. I was the first to answer. They cannot listen to you. So what I use the magic hand. And this is the magic hand. Give me 5 or high 5. Number one, I teach them from the very beginning of the school year, and they stick it on my wall here, and they have to learn it by heart. Number one, ears are listening, lips are zipped, hands are and feet are still like this, and the mind is concentrated. And the most important, the eyes are on the speaker. Now, the difference between, please keep quiet, don't make noise, don't chat, blah, 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 okay. But give me 5 or high 5, which may work much better than, blah, blah, blah.